Hey y'all, so my battery is like right here. Just some good shit. This is Bollywood. So basically, it's like a tropical coconut tropical taste. Like if y'all had Maui Wowie and y'all like that, y'all would like this because this was basically a Maui Wowie, but like different name. Like it's just very tropical. Like it's like the coconut is overpowering, but I like Moawi Wawi stuff. I like this because it's just like the exact same. I want to start getting my PS right there for 20 years. The only thing about that is I'm just gonna have to wait. I'm trying not to overthink it, but like, mm yeah, and it's so smooth, and it's not that harsh on the chest. Like, I took a blinker off of this, it wasn't smooth as a blinker. I still cough this shit, of course. Like, I still like felt down, but like. It didn't feel like my chest was caving in. Like, it didn't feel like my chest didn't hurt or nothing. You know, and I heard came over your ass. Well, I didn't let it charge that long. It's cheaper. It's cheaper to just do it from Everyday Fluctuation than in the store. The only thing the pros about the store was that it's not getting much charge. Yeah, I just need to stop while I ahead of myself because I follow for this man hard and it's getting too deep. Like I gotta because I'm overthinking and I'm at this stage now where I'm overthinking. But I don't know because it's given you be on the phone but don't text me, but you be texting me But it get down like you be on your phone without texting. But I don't know, because he did say he was going on that way, and he just cut. But it's given that you be on your phone, but never text. Um, I keep that with like somebody, but this motherfucker girl. Thought while you were here, but I'm not. He said, I know I'm not the only one. I don't know whenever we go take you before. When you get it where you fit in, be at this point. Fuck. Nah, but for real. Oh, that's not my too. Yeah. You know, baby. But yeah, like it's like I'm in that point now where there's a problem, and it's like I don't want to because I know that this gonna change. It don't, and then like every time I try to talk to him, he just give me reasons why I should not talk to him. Like it's been very peaceful, but like I would rather hurt not being with him than hurt being with him because that's gonna cause way more emotional damage and it's gonna cause way more trauma and it's just gonna be more on my mental than moving on. But it's like moving on, but like I don't know. I don't know because I'm not trying to. Like, I have developed feelings for this person, but I can go too deep. I felt like I was going too deep just in that moment. I had to take a step back. Like, girl, you gonna get hurt. I gotta put my car back up. See, okay, okay, we're gonna start, and then like we're gonna finish with the Okay, so I'm gonna leave that to charge. Okay, I'm gonna leave that to charge because clearly it has to be in there, so I'm gonna have it in there for a minute. And we just gonna finish out the piano with a charge, deck of charge. Oof. Okay, so I need it out of my smoothie. I almost started to let my guard down. Can't do that, bitch. That's how you get caught slipping. And I don't know if you just overthinking or not. Alright, y'all.